Hi everyone, I have another mini shell tutorial. This is another white mussel with different colors, a little bit more purple. So I use the three colors that I used for the previous shells. We are using the Daniel Smith watercolors. I added all of the colors for you so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Part of this is sped up to make it a little bit more quicker for you so it's quick to view. I have clean water on the right hand side, which is out of view. Every time you see me move my brush, I'm just dipping my brush in clean water. I use a very watery mix and then I just go over and soften all of those markings again. I also go in with some darker mixes where I don't have a lot of water on my brush. And then I just outline the shape of the shell because the paper is white. I wanted to show off on the paper. To get that beautiful purple, I mix some French ultramarine with some Quinacridone Rose. And then I just adjusted the colors until I'm happy with the purple that I want. So even though there's a drop of the new Gamboge, the colors that I use the most is French Ultramarine with Quinacridone Rose. And I'm trying to follow the shape of the shell, trying to create the detail that I can see. And this is a very quick study. So these little shells are very easy to paint and you can literally do them under 20 minutes max each day. So parts of this are sped up. This paper is the mixed media paper from Fabriano. It's a lovely paper to do these little studies on. I also want to keep the white sections on the outside of that shell. So I make sure that my paper is completely white there and that I don't have too much water on there whenever I paint because I don't want any color on there. I want that to be a light highlighted section there. Next, I will show you all of the other shells that I painted. Some of these shells will be available on Patreon for my patrons on the $8 tier. So go and have a look. I have some more shell tutorials there if you're interested. So for this, I'm just moving some of that excess pigment so there's not too much water on my brush and trying to control all of the mixes that I have on my brush right now. At this stage, I don't want too much pigment. I also don't want too much water. And then I just take my brush with clean water and soften all of those little markings that I painted earlier. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so you can be reminded or get a notification every time I upload a new video. This was a little bit sped up, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I just wanted to show you that you can paint basically every day. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon with some more tutorials.